I started tearing things apart. Got the handlebars taken off, but I came across a problem. One, wiring I'm getting figured out, but the problem I have is that these risers that I got should be wonderful. This bolt is too big to fit in here. This is a 12 and that's a 10 millimeter. So the question I find myself having is that this bolt that goes through here, that came with these, are 11 and a half millimeters. So probably 12 millimeters. This hole is just over 10 millimeters. Do I ream it out? Do I drill it? I don't know, man. Feels weird to do it, but I am customizing a bike, so is that what you do? I don't know. What should I do? It's a happening. Well, what's done is done. See if it fits. Very close. Looks like there's something blocking down below. Yep, we'll clean it out a little bit. I got handlebars on. It's not all fully tightened up because I need to do lots of things before I can lock them in place, but the risers are in. There they are. Need to go get longer bolts because they only go in like halfway, and you know, this is my steering we're talking about here. So this is going up and above to kind of lower the front end down, but I have these that hold in the air, so those will slide down to here. Which I may need to go a little bit higher. So these go even higher to cover this. So the front forks will lower a little bit more. It's either that or you go back to stock and raise them up. But I got new shocks for the rear, so those will be lower. But overall, these are mounted. It steers, does the things.